Today, we're diving into an exciting matchup between two top-tier touring summer tires, the Pirelli Cinturato P7 C2 and the Hankook Ventus Prime 4. These two contenders represent the pinnacle of tire technology, bringing together Italian craftsmanship and South Korean innovation. Let's see how they stack up in key performance categories. First, let's look at wet performance. When it comes to wet braking from 80 to 0 km per hour, the Hankook Ventus Prime 4 stands out with a stopping distance of 35.8 meters, outperforming the Pirelli Cinturato P7 C2, which requires 40.3 meters. This 4.5-meter difference highlights Hankook's superior stopping power in rainy conditions. However, in aquaplaning resistance, the Pirelli Cinturato P7 C2 shows its strength by maintaining control at 81.8 km per hour, compared to the Hankook 77.6. This means the Pirelli is more resistant to aquaplaning, providing better stability at higher speeds in wet conditions. In dry conditions, both tires perform admirably. The Hankook Ventus Prime 4 has a slight edge in dry braking, stopping at 36.6 meters, just 0.4 meters shorter than the Pirelli's 37 meters. This minor difference suggests a marginal advantage for Hankook in dry braking efficiency. When it comes to wear and durability, the Hankook Ventus Prime 4 again takes the lead with a wear life of 42,200 kilometers, outlasting the Pirelli Cinturato P7 C2, which lasts 39,500 kilometers. This longer lifespan not only means fewer replacements but also a reduction in tire waste. In terms of abrasion, which measures how quickly a tire wears down, the Hankook performs better, producing less wear compared to Pirelli's. This translates to lower environmental impact and aligns well with upcoming regulations focusing on sustainability. Next, let's talk about noise. The Pirelli Cinturato P7 C2 is quieter, emitting 70.5 decibels of noise compared to the Hankook 71.7 decibels. While a difference of 1.2 decibels might seem small, it can contribute to a noticeably quieter and more comfortable driving experience. Lastly, we have fuel consumption. The Pirelli Cinturato P7 C2 offers a slight advantage with a consumption rate of 5.7 liters per 100 kilometers, whereas the Hankook Ventus Prime 4 uses 5.8 liters per 100 kilometers. This minor difference means the Pirelli is slightly more fuel efficient, potentially leading to cost savings over long distances. In summary, the Hankook Ventus Prime 4 stands out with superior wet performance, better wear, and abrasion characteristics. On the other hand, Pirelli Cinturato P7 C2 excels with lower noise levels and slightly better fuel efficiency. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.